complex tissue. This tissue is made up of more than one type of cells, and these cells work together as a unit. There are two types of complex tissue, that is, xylem and phloem. Let us first start with xylem. Its main function is to conduct water and minerals from root to shoot and leaves. It conducts only in upward direction. It also gives mechanical strength to plants. It consists of 4 different types of element, namely tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchyma. From this elements, gymnosperms lack vessels in their xylem. Now, let us move on tracheids. Tracheids are tube-like cells. They contain lignified walls and tapering ends. These cells are dead. Vessels. Vessels are also long and cylindrical in shape. Vessels are multicellular and form a vessel member. Vessel member are interconnected through perforations in their wall. Vessels are also dead cells. In flowering plants, vessels and tracheids are main water transporting elements. Vessels are characteristic feature of angiosperms. Xylem fibers. They contain very thick wall and obliterated central lumen. They may be septate or aseptate. Xylem parenchyma. Cells of xylem parenchyma are living. Their cell wall are made up of cellulose. They store food material in form of starch or fat and another substance like tannins. Radial conduction of water take place through ray parenchymatous cell. In plants, primary xylem are of 2 types, that is protoxylem and another one is metaxylem. Protoxylem formed early in life while metaxylem appears later in life of plants. On basis of their arrangement, primary xylem can be classified in 2 types, endarch and exarch. Endarch protoxylem found in stem, because in stem protoxylem lies towards the center and metaxylem towards the periphery. Exarch protoxylem occurs in root. In root metaxylem lies towards the center, while protoxylem towards the periphery. Secondary xylem derived from the cambium. Phloem. Phloem transports food material from leaves to other parts of plant. Because mostly food is stored into the leaves, phloem functions in both the direction. It means phloem can transport food upward or downward, that is bidirectional. Phloem are also of 4 types. In angiosperms, phloem composed of sieve tube elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. While, in gymnosperms, phloem is composed of phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers, which are also present in angiosperms. But instead of sieve tube and companion cells, they contain albuminous cells and sieve cells. Sieve tube. They are long and tube-like elements arranged longitudinally and associated with companion cells. Mature sieve tube cells does not possess the nucleus. Therefore, companion cells controlled the function of sieve tube elements. Companion cells. These cells are special parenchymatous cells, which are closely associated with the sieve tube elements. Sieve tube and companion cells are interconnected by pit fields. Companion cells help to maintain pressure gradient in the sieve tube. Phloem parenchyma. They are elongated structure, having dense cytoplasm and nucleus. They contain pits for plasmodes metal connection. Phloem parenchyma stores food material and another substances such as resins, latex, mucilage etc. Phloem fibers. These fibers are made up of sclerenchymatous cells. They are usually absent in primary phloem but present in secondary phloem. As phloem fibers get mature, they lose their protoplasm and become dead. Phloem fibers are also used as commercially such as jute, hemp, flax, etc. First formed primary phloem consist of narrow, sieve tubes and referred to as protophloem, while later formed primary phloem contains bigger tube and referred as metaphloem. Here is the summary of complex tissue.